Hi, back again with grammar. Yesterday's continued part, direct indirect speech. We have done 5 questions regarding that, and all these were just imperative statements. Imperative means they were normal statements. Today we are going to focus only on interrogative part. Interrogative बोले तो it's a question mark. Now there are few rules regarding it. Rules are comparatively less. Rule number one first rule is, if said to is there, remove that and substitute by the word asked. In simple words, said to nikal do, asked lagao. Rule number 1. Now rule number 2, put if, and most important, rule number 3, remove all the ornaments. Ornaments बोले तो remove all, question mark, exclamatory mark, everything, comma, quotations, everything is removed. This rule will remain forever. In indirect speech, this rule will remain forever. Okay, let's begin with the sentences. Today I am taking only 5 sentences. You can practice more sentences at home. If any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. You can drop a comment, share me, subscribe me, and be ready with everything. Notebook, pen, and bring. Yes, let us begin. Okay, now rules. See here, direct, indirect. These are the rules. Can you see? Set to. Set to becomes asked. Am, is, are becomes was, and are becomes where. This becomes where. Past tense. Right? Then you becomes I, he, she, they. This depends upon the sentence. I will tell you. And if. Just click if you want. All the rules are here regarding interrogative type. Okay. Now I'm beginning with the exercise. Sentence number 1. This is first. Rasika said to Ravi, are you going to mall? Now in first video also I have told कि first underline the words you are changing. First word changed, to be changed is said to. Then remove all these comma and all. Okay. Then next word to be changed is pronoun. Remaining all the whole sentence will be continued. Remove question mark, remove all ornaments. Jewelry remove karo uski. Now sentence. Rasika said to. See the rule? Said to becomes asked. Said to becomes asked. So the answer starts with Rasika asked. This whole part is removed. Ravi. After this comma and quotations will be removed and replaced by if. New word. If. Rasika asked Ravi if. Now we have to change the sequence of this because this is a question. Now this comes first, this comes last. But not only this, you have to change this underlined part, that is pronoun, right? You. Now what are the changes? I, he, she, it, they इसमें से कुछ भी लगता है. Now what to put over there? See, said to के बाद the conversation is with Ravi, right? So said to के बाद जो भी कोई है उसको लगाना है he, she, it, depends. Now Ravi means he. So I am putting here if he. Now past tense of this. Yeah, R will also change. Past tense of R. See here, where. But where will not come. He was going to mall. Last will be full stop. Okay, so this is your answer. Rasika asked Ravi if he was going to mall. Understood? Look at the changes I've done. Said to replaced by asked. Comma quotes replaced by if. Change the sequence of this. Pronoun you is replaced by he. How? Because Ravi. This will be past tense. Actually it comes where. But he where नहीं बोलते हैं ना. He was. Remaining sentence as it is. So these are the changes made in question mark pattern. Okay. Now I'm moving ahead. Second sentence. Anushka said to Virat. वाह क्या जोड़ी है. Anushka said to Virat, will you go for cricket practice today? Of course he has to go. Captain है भाई. Okay. Jokes apart. Said to. Which words are to be changed? Said to. After that, will pronoun. You will change. And one more word today, which we have seen in the previous video. Right? These are the words to be changed. Now, Anushka said to Virat. So said to becomes asked. Said to becomes asked. Anushka asked Virat. Then comma and quotes will be replaced by if. Correct? Now these changes. This will come here. But you hai. You. We have to decide what will come here. For that you should know कि she is speaking to whom. To के बाद सेट टू के बाद जो भी कोई वर्ड है विराट वो कौन है ही. सो इफ ही राइट. विल का पास्ट टेंस रेफर अर्लियस्ट वीडियो. विल का वुड. विल का वुड वेर सॉरी इफ ही वुड गो फॉर rest of the sentence as it is. Cricket practice. Yes, one more change. Today, that is that day. Today is that day. Full stop. Okay. So question number second is done. Moving over to question number third. Isha said to me, can you tell what the time is? Isha said to me, can you tell what the time is? This is Isha. Now changes to be done. Said to, can, you, rest of the sentence as it is. And is will also change. Right? Yeah. First Isha will come. Said to will be replaced by asked. Said to is always replaced by asked. Me as it is. After comma what comes? If comes. If. Now changes. Here you. You का decide करना है. I, he, she कौन है? For that you have to decide. She is speaking to whom? Me. Me बोले तो I. तो you का होता है I. Can का past tense? Could. Everywhere use past tense. Tell what the time was. Full stop. Okay. See what are the changes done. Said to, asked हुआ. Then after comma put if. Compulsory. Put if. Then this sequence is changed. You मतलब देखना है. She is speaking to whom? Me बोले तो apply the rule I could. Can का could. Tell what the time was. Is का was. Okay. Next question. Swanandi said to me, do you know Rohan? Changes to be done. Said to you, no also will change. And one more thing, if the sentence contains do, remove that do. Remove that from the answer. Okay? Sure. Write down. Yes. Swanandi said to becomes asked me. After that, if. Very good. If will come. If. Change the sequence. Yeah, do we have already removed. I already told कि do होगा तो you have to remove that. Correct? You. Decide. You means who. You के पहले me है. Me बोले तो I. इस 4 में क्या आएगा? I. So if I know का past tense knew, Knew, Rohan, full stop, remove the ornament, full stop. Now last sentence of today's video. Jay said to Viru, do you go there? Do you go there? Answer. Changes to be done. Said to. Do is removed, as I already told the rule. Right? And then these changes change the sequence. And past tense also. Fine. So Jay asked Viru. After that, if you का होता है, yes, we have to see now. You, तो कॉमा के पहले कौन है? He is speaking to whom? Viru. Viru बोले तो he. If he, go becomes went, past tense. There